most favorite snacks, and that snack is Guddu sandwich and chaat corner also. And actually, so there is behind story of starting this business of chaat and sandwich. So what happened? They both person, they were doing job together. Then when they quit the job, so what they have decided, like that Guddu, he thought I will open my sandwich business, and the other one, he thought I will open my chaat business. So they were doing job together, and now they are in business and they are doing together business. So that Guddu sandwich, so today I'm exploring that Guddu sandwich, but what I'm thinking, I will explore that chaat corner also, because if I will explore that Guddu sandwich, then how his partner he will feel, right? So, and really they have very small, that what we call shop, like very small. So I don't know you guys will like or not, but whatever he prepared, he's all the ingredients, like all the vegetables, bread, everything is clean. Literally I saw from my eyes. And the other one also, like I can see a lot of crowd is there. So please guys, support this kind of street foods. I need your support to support them, not for me, and especially street foods. And I will tell you where exactly that Guddu sandwich has located. So wait, I will show you. So this is Vishnu Nagar. So what you have to do, you can ask anyone that Jyoti Mobile Center. So from there, inside one gully is coming. So see, you can see that gully, and exactly see, this is their shop, that Guddu sandwich and chaat snacks corners. So I'm very excited to explore, because I think and he takes that party order also. So when I was speaking with him, so he told me, madam, right now I prepared 70 sandwiches for my order. So they take party orders, wedding orders, and any functions like you would like to according to your any functions you would like to, then you can give the order to them. And here he has started his business in 2006. So almost 90 years he has completed. And what he was saying to me, like a lot of rich people, they come, like from four-wheeler they come, and they eat his sandwiches and that chaat also. But guys, I'm not focusing on that chaat corner, because see, my main motto is that Guddu sandwich. And there are bunch of menu I saw, but I will tell you his most special, like most favorite on his shop, and really I like it. I'm very excited to explore this kind of street food unexplored. Like I'm very delighted, I'm so privileged, like I get an opportunity to explore this kind of people. Like they are very rich from their heart, and really and their quality is also good. Some people I know, they don't serve food better, but the person who is rich from the heart, literally they they sell good foods and make sure everything is clean. And what he told me, very excited, you guys will like it. So that Guddu sandwich, he is from Uttar Pradesh and other one is from Maharashtra. So they both are friends. So I'm very I was surprised. So let's come with me, I will show you. They are good food, and food are always special for me, because every street food, they have their different story, different spices. Like opening this good shops, they are behind lot of blood, sweat they have done. Coming, he came from UP, and from UP he has started his business here. That is I should clap for him, really. And these guys are very hardworking person, really very hardworking person. And when you will see his shop, you will see literally Ankita, it is too small. Like, you know, that two business, you know, how they are handling, even I also don't know. So come on. So this is the road, and there is that Guddu sandwich and chaat snacks corner, and here also shops are there. So right now I am showing their shop. See, and the name is Guddu sandwich and chaat corner. So you can see on their nameplate they have written their contact number, so you can order. So you can see this is his menu, and there are a lot of, I think 23 menus are there. Bread, butter, and at the end that chili milli, mayonnaise, cheese toast, and he has written his contact number, and we take party orders. So don't wait. If you want to eat, just give a call, and your sandwich is ready. So right now I am giving my order, and on his corner, so there is one sandwich is very famous, cheese toast sandwich. So you must try this sandwich, and I'm giving my order, and I will show you how he will prepare. Then you will see like how clean and hygienic his area it is. So stay tuned, okay? He prepared other sandwiches. As you can see that other sandwiches are there. Cutting very nicely all the slices. And you know, when that remaining, he prepared that all the sandwiches, so he covered from the cloth, like, you know, the dust should not go. And here is my most favorite thing, that cheese. You know guys, I love cheese a lot. So when you are planning to come to Thane West, nearby that Vishnanagar, so you must try this Guddu sandwich. And here is my lots of cheese is going in that sandwich. And you can see, you know, that area is very clean. So here my sandwich is going in that sandwich toaster, and now he is making. He is their partner, and he is selling that pani puri, chaat, snacks corner. So if you are coming, you should try his also. ready, and lots of cheese he has added. And you can see there are 3 different kind of chutney. ये कौन सा है? Sauce. That one.
Red वाला भी chutney है.
Yeah, this is also red chutney and this is green chutney. So I will take my first bite and I will tell you how it's looking. And you know, I like after so long I'm eating, you know, so much cheesy sandwich, like my mouth is watering. So this is my first bite. So let's see, it's quite hot. So guys, I will eat very slow. Okay. It's good. Really, you know, I have taken first bite, but it's, you know, that butter, that cheese, that taste is coming, and no, it's not that much of spicy, so you can eat very nicely here. And I liked it actually. And there are, you know, a bunch of other menus are there, so you can try that one also. But I will, you know, recommend you guys try this, you know, cheese toast masala sandwich, because it's really in 70 rupees you will get here, and it's good actually. You know, lots of cheese he added, 3 different kind of chutney. I liked it. It's yum. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe, and follow for more videos and support these kind of street foods.